Good morning everyone. Welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercise of lesson number 10, A, N and the. In your exercise A, they are asking us to place A or N before the nouns. As you can see that these nouns are given and these blanks are also given. I have filled these blanks according to the nouns. Dear students, as you all know and I have told you in the video for the explanation of articles that whenever there is a word, there is a noun which starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we always put A before it. And whenever there is a noun which starts with a vowel sound or with a vowel, we always add N. That's why I have written NR, NIR, and a city, a hen. Now let's read this exercise so that you can have a better understanding. A city, NR, an ice cream, a bridge, an ear, a hen, an ocean, an eye, a state, a forest. Now let's read our exercise B. Complete these sentences with A or N. We had a party last weekend. They have already given us illustration of first sentence. Rekha took a boat to cross the river. As you know that boat starts with a consonant. That's why I have written A before it. The clown played an accordion at the circus. I had a cup of tea and an apple pie. An explorer must be a brave man. The news today is an interesting paper. As you can see that interesting starts with a vowel. That's why I have written N before it. Our teacher told us how to prepare for a test. Nishi gave a shriek when she saw a face outside the window. A parrot was eating a guava. This exercise has a beginning and an end. Now let's discuss exercise C, which is given on page number 37. Tick the correct options to complete these sentences. We have to tick the correct article which is given in options over here. Sentence number 1 is already done for us. I like a, an or the blue vase. I like the blue vase because they are telling us that specifically telling us that she likes or he likes that the blue vase, the vase which is blue in color. Over there, better than a, an or the red one. They are comparing two vases with one another, that she likes the specific blue one more than the red one. Their car gives 160 miles an the hour. I have put right on N because R is a noun which starts with a consonant sound. That's why I have put N. Where is N या the book I lent you last week? The book, because here we are talking about a specific book, the book which was given to him or her the previous week. She lives in an or the old locality in Mumbai. Old locality, old is a word which is starting with a vowel sound. That's why I have tick right N over here. Are you going to the same coffee shop as before? Her father is an engineer. There was a fault in the wiring of the house. We had a heavy breakfast today. Mahesh has a terrible headache. We played the football match this afternoon. You must be thinking why I have put the over here. Dear students, whenever we talk about specific match, we always write the before it. Now we'll discuss exercise D. Tick the correct option to complete these sentences. Mary went to the city last month. I love the flowers in the vase. She is talking about the flowers which are in the vase. That's why I have tick right this the flowers option. Do you know where the library is? Priyam goes to school by bus. Meghna is late for school. For the school. I always read the news in the morning. Karan is playing the piano. Shireen wants to buy an overcoat. She has never been to the Himalayas before. Pratik and his cousins went to the beach. Dear students, complete your work in your fair copies. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.